Hey everybody, welcome back to HUTD. I am Sierra, and this is...
Hi, I'm Mike.
No. I'm Mike. And you're who?
Sierra.
Okay, anyways. Alright, so this episode, pretty exciting one for us. We're going to try something a little bit different this time, and the reason that we're going to try something different is because of that. Today's the day that we're going to put it to the test, and hopefully at the end of this, I'll have something to show you. And it'll be called a Makerscoin. A little bit bigger than the 15 millimeter thing I spoke of a couple episodes back. If you don't remember that, click that little aha idea button thingy that's up here.
So
you can go watch Maker's Muse. He talks about it. He started making them, and then they turn into this big thing. And he kind of gives a background about challenge coins and all this other stuff that has to do with other things. This is it. So we'll see if we can make this into actual size, and hopefully we can get some multicolored print come out of this.
As you guys don't know, because we haven't mentioned it, it's a dual extruder, so it will give us two different filaments at one time.
Can you tell me what it is?
What it is? It's a Quiddy 1.
Yes, the QuidiTech 1. So we got it. It's the dual extruder that some of you may already have. We don't know anything about it. So we're just going to wing it. And by that I mean we're going to ruin a lot of prints, waste a lot of filament. But at the end of the day, if it don't work,
we'll let you know.
Or I'll just print it on that one back there in one color. But we'll show you how we're going to design this. Maybe we'll use Fusion 360 for this one.
Yes. My baby.
Yeah, she's already mastered Fusion 360, and when I say mastered, I mean
I know the basics.
She's better than what I can do on it, and all I can do is open a file. I haven't figured anything out yet. So that's her program. I like to use Tinkercad. That's how advanced I am. Okay, no, we'll get into Tinkercad later. Nothing wrong with it. It's a great thing. All right, let's get to it, and we'll show you how we design this thing, and hopefully it turns out better than what I hope.
A-okay.
Or at least bigger than what I hope. Yeah.
stuff.
The answer is shit.
It's not
It is
that.
shit.
It's not.
It's absolutely shit.
Not.
Yep. I looked at the camera, and it didn't look at the preview. The preview didn't move yet, so I was like, "Oh wait, it's not working." But it's so delayed.
It's like 2 seconds.
At least.
1 minute is a beat.
So, as you can see, we were able to print off at least one coin. However, that one good coin took us about 5 bad coins. We took our original design with the little 15 millimeter coin that we designed, and then we turned it into an absolutely oversized coin by accident.
A big boy coin.
Because, again, we did not understand dimensions. After that printed, then we realized, okay, here's about the size we need. So we got these coins, and mine won't spin because I welded the back because my printer's not dialed in. However, we were able to get a couple of them that spun just fine. And we tried to design it with the logo on it, as you can see. There's a bug right there. Nope. You can't see it. Either way. So we tried to design it with the logo and then something else on the other side, but we decided just to go with a plain
Nice logo.
plain flat side on the back side, and then
A nice E-Tree logo.
on the one side.
Yeah.
So it is able to print multiple filaments at once. And when I say at once, I mean different layers, obviously. However, you have to trick the system into thinking it can do it
Yes.
by making one a support and then taking it off and adding it again. So it can be done. However,
Takes work.
a lot, and the amount of quality we got,
Not bad.
not the best in the world for this size, at least. This size, amazing.
This turned out okay, but there's still lines showing.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of lines, but for a first print for that thing back there, cannot complain. It's something new, something fun, and who knows what we'll print on it next. Maybe we'll do like cell phone cases, because some people don't know how to hold a cell phone without dropping it. So that might be a great idea.
It's him.
Yeah, it's definitely me. Shattered the screen on the phone, but it's still my fault. All right. So either ways, let us know if you got some ideas or some suggestions on things you would like to see, because we got the TPU that I would like to try to print from there, and like I said, we could maybe do cell phone case. Maybe we should do like a ping pong ball, like a rubber ball. Why not?
That's
A
awesome.
bouncy ball.
I want a bouncy ball.
Maybe we'll do a bouncy ball.
Well, that makes
Maybe.
me excited.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
Just a bouncy ball.
Yeah.
We'll see if that works.
I need a bouncy
You
ball.
need a bouncy ball?
Yeah.
All right, so let us know if you got any ideas or anything that you would like to see us try to print with that, or worst case scenario, we get a rubber bird's nests for the lovely birds that don't hang out here in the cold winters. But for spring, we'll save it. So again, if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe it, click that little bell thing that's down in one of the corners down there. And let us know if there's anything you'd like to see or anything that we could have done better. I'm going to tell you right now, figure out your measurements, because we go from this to this
To the baby.
to the little baby. I don't even know if they can see it because it's so far away. Yeah, so make sure you learn how to do your measurements. Other than that, though, I hope you guys enjoy your time printing, and you know, be good to each other out there.
Just remember, we make mistakes so you don't have to.